My name is Audrey, and I lost like 40 pounds earlier this year doing intermittent fasting. I started eating at noon, I stopped eating at 6, and I was vegan and gluten-free while intermittent fasting, and that's why I dropped so much weight.
Hi, my name is Luciana. I've done intermittent fasting and I usually eat between 2 and 7 and it's not a lot.
Hi, my name is Paola, and I wanted to say I do intermittent fasting, and I eat until 2 o'clock, which is my biggest meal of the day. When I eat carbs, I don't care about the amount of carbs, and I don't take dairy out of my diet. And then at night, I will eat a regular dinner, but without carbs, and it has been working for me.